My name is Jyotsna. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Srikakulam district. I completed my graduation in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from SRK Engineering College. I completed my graduation in 2025. During my second year, we have a lab, IoT lab, and in my third year, I did mini projects. With that interest, I took embedded systems after my graduation. Like in Andhra, we are not familiar with English and another languages, and I want to explore Bangalore with that. If I came to Bangalore, I can improve my communication skills in English, and I can learn more in embedded systems, and that's why I choose Bangalore. After joining this course, I learned C language from scratch to advanced. It will help me a lot. C language, I did 3 projects, and DSA, I did 2, and MC1. In Linux, I did 2 projects. C language helped me a lot to crack placements and programming. Facing setbacks and hard work will pay one day.
Hi, my name is Raghavendra. I'm from Bangalore. I completed my Bachelor's of Engineering in Electronics and Communication at CMR Institute of Technology. I passed out 2025. During my college, I thought I need to train up more to get a job. So I joined Emertxe for a training on embedded systems, which helped me to improve my technical skills and helped me to place in a good company. When I started my course in Emertxe, during I don't know anything about the programming. I just started learning by my own. Every mentor what he taught, I learned it by my own. Practiced every day. Any difficulties, I approached the Emertxe team. They taught me how to solve a problem, and then their support gave me more knowledge to gain and train up in this course. Before starting the course is not easy to learn. When you try yourself, work on sincerely, or do the assignments and projects by your own, it help you to build confidence. During my course, I completed my almost 10 projects, 5 from C module, 2 from DS module, one from Linux, and 2 from microcontroller module. I have faced some difficult times too when I have not cleared some placement eligibility test that have been given. So I would never give up. I just started learning from the first and scratch everything, which helped me to clear the placement eligibility test, and I practiced by my own and did the hard work. So I didn't give up. So it helped me to crack a job. It was an exciting, difficulty, and a surprising journey.
My name is Gautami and I am from Kolar, Karnataka. I completed my graduation from Cambridge Institute of Technology in the year 2025. The first language I learned was C during my academics. So when I came to the final year, many programming languages were there which I learned, and I felt interest on C language, and I went in search of the domain where we use C language widely. Then I got to know about embedded system. Then here onwards started a journey with the embedded system, and I joined Emertxe to upskill myself in embedded system. I have done around 9 projects which helped me a lot to learn, to gain a practical knowledge. Instead of learning only theory concepts, we apply those theory concepts practically by doing projects. So which helped me a lot in understanding the things in depth in practical. After each and every interview, I'm able to clear the initial rounds like written test, some of the face-to-face also. But one point I won't get selected. That time I felt sad, and I don't felt never giving up. I motivated myself, and I apply for the other companies, and here where I placed in a HCL Tech, and I was very proud of myself, and I'm very happy. The overall journey gave me confidence and the real meaning of consistency.
My name is Sridhar P. I'm coming from Kannur, Kerala. I completed my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from College of Engineering, Talcherry in the year 2025. Since I am a CS graduate, I thought of taking something different. Like my interest was in the automotive domain, so related to embedded systems. So I asked my seniors, my college teachers, what to choose, which institute to choose. So they insisted me to choose Emertxe, which is one of the best institutes in Bangalore. So I chose Emertxe. Actually, my final year project was related to embedded systems. So I asked myself, why not embedded systems? So my interest started from my 4th year. My entire course was like the syllabus starts from the scratch itself. So even a guy who is not from the related branches can easily start from the scratch. So they start from the scratch and it goes advanced. So I completed around 10 to 11 projects. Course structure, it starts from C, then it goes to advanced, then C++, data structures and microcontrollers. So since I am a CS graduate, I am not familiar with these microcontroller parts. So I could gain more knowledge from the beginning to end related to microcontrollers. The entire journey was full of surprises. At last, I could crack one of my dream companies.
I am Bhavit M. Gowda. I completed my bachelor's degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Malnad College of Engineering, Hassan. So after my engineering, I was a little bit confused whether I should shift for software or embedded system. So after discussing with my seniors and relatives and all, I chose to go for embedded. So after 1 to 2 months, I joined Emertxe after having positive reviews from online and from my senior side. After coming to Emertxe, first I started C module. So it was like a very good experience. At starting, I was like very excited. I learned more about C programming. After that, after every module, you will get like different topics. So each topics would be somewhat difficult and challenging. So I got a very good, quite good friends. So they helped me to solve challenging problems and projects and all. And faculties also they were also very supporting for us. So overall, it was a very good experience in Emertxe, and I am very happy to get placed in HCL Tech right now. My one last suggestion is that for future candidates who are interested to join Emertxe, so try to understand the concept. Don't buy heart the concept. From my own experience, I am telling, like if you buy heart the concept, you will be remembered like 2 to 3 days. If you understand the concept, it will be remembered for a long time. That's what I suggest you all. So right now I completed 9 projects, 4 from C module, 2 from data structure, 2 from microcontroller, and 1 from Linux internals.